And on this 2023 F150, James and Alex are working on putting on a clear bra, which is a great option to just protect the front end and the mirrors. It's super simple, easy to do, easier on your pocketbook. And also, we're going to go ahead and polish the paint. Customer opted to not even get a ceramic coating, so this is just kind of one of those new truck, wants it looking good, wants it a little protected, but not going crazy, and that works out. So we'll get this finished up as well.